Hello, Pima Panthers. I'm really excited to share with you these lessons using Seesaw. So hopefully you've already watched the first two, which show you how to log in using your SUSD GApps email or not email, username and password. And the second one, which shows you how to take a picture using Seesaw. Just remember the first time you do it, it's going to ask if you want to allow Seesaw to use your camera. You're going to have to tell it allow. Otherwise, it won't, nothing will pop up. So the lesson for week 4 is a portrait inspired by the artist Klee, and it is a shape portrait, mainly just geometric shapes. We're going to recreate this using our own kind of personality, using the tools on Seesaw. First thing you need to do is log in, which I showed you how to do in the last couple videos. Then I want you to click this green circle right here. It has a plus sign. You're not going to have this art down here. That's just an example for, another class, but you are going to have this up here. You're going to click that green plus sign. Then you're going to click on drawing. This is your canvas space. You have a bunch of different tools in here. Feel free to kind of play around with them and experiment, learn how they work. One of the first things I'm going to show you is how to erase your mistakes. So you do a little doodle, you don't like it, doesn't look good. If you click this back button right here, not this one up here, but this really curly one right there, you can pull them off step by step. If you have a really huge mess and you just want to start over again, you can click this trash can right here. It says, are you sure you want to start over? You can. Delete and start over. For this assignment, the first thing I want you to do is to please put a background color down. Click on this circle right here with the 3 dots, go to background, and I want you guys to pick a background color. I'm going to pick this. It's kind of like rosy pink color that blends down to that sunset orange. Oh, that's beautiful. You guys can pick a different background. I'm just picking this because it almost kind of looks like the background in this Klee self-portrait right here. Now I'm looking at the shape of the head, the shoulders, and the neck. I see one circle, one rectangular square, and one rectangle. So if you click on that same circle with 3 dots, you click on shapes this time instead of background, we can put our circle on there. You'll notice it's the wrong size and the wrong color. Doesn't matter, we'll fix it. First thing I'm going to show you how to do is to change the color. If you don't see your rainbow palette color chooser, all you have to do is click on your shape, whatever shape you want to change the color of. Now we have this rainbow slider palette over here. You can either use the circle, dragging it up and down till you find a color you want, or you can click anywhere in that palette and try to pick it that way. I think I'm going to use a kind of lighter color as my background because I can add in those other pieces later. So that's the color I'm choosing. Now I have to fix the size. The way that I do that, if I've clicked on the shape like I have now, do you see all those little white circles around the edges? And if I hover my mouse over them, these little arrows pop up. Those arrows are saying that if you pull them, especially the ones in the corners, I'm just clicking and dragging. I can stretch my shape and enlarge it. So let me show you that again. Click your shape, drag while holding down your mouse button from one of those corner arrows that pops up from the circle, and then you can enlarge it like that. Okay? Let's see if I can get my rectangle on here before the video cuts off. Just my blue rectangle. Perfect. I'll choose a color. See you in the next video.